Yesterday we got a chance to visit with one of our friends, get to see her farm, her new baby goats. She gave me a bunch of eggs and food, and we also got to get some plants from her. So I wanted to show you some of the great stuff that she grows. She's a really, really awesome farmer and grower and goat taker care, and just wanted to share all the great stuff that she grows, and hopefully it'll grow well with us. So we'll just go plant by plant. So this pot this is a Jamaican lilikoi, or passion fruit, and Jamaican passion fruit. And I don't know if you've ever had a Jamaican lilikoi, but they're quite different from the standard lilikoi. They have kind of like a soft outside, and they're orange. And they're delicious. So this is Jamaican lilikoi, and it's in here with the pepper. And we got a second Jamaican lilikoi, and this one is in with a papaya. And there's even a third individual in here, a tiny individual. I don't even know who that is. Then this is a bunch of hot chilies. Hot chilies. This is a tray of kale. We haven't had the best luck with kale, but she said that this kind grows very well for her, so I'm looking forward to it. Then we have, this is labeled local kind pumpkin, and it is the variety that is kind of, they're so pale that they're almost like gray. They're like a pale gray orange, almost kind of white. I've seen them in the market before. They're great. So I don't think we grow any of those right now. We have like the dark green pumpkins, the kabocha pumpkins. So I'm looking forward to trying these out. This is Cassabanana, which we actually got seeds from her maybe like 6 months ago of Cassabanana. And they came up fine, came up great, and then we transplanted them out of their little planter boxes, their little sprouting boxes, and then I believe they may have all died. So this time, gonna be extra careful with them, probably leave them in these maybe a little bit longer, and then try to put them in the shade, because I think maybe we put them in too much direct sun last time. Not entirely sure. This is a durian. I've actually never had durian, but might as well give it a try. I mean, food is food, right? If it's gonna make me a big tree that makes a whole lot of food, who am I to say no? Who am I to say no? This is Mamie sapote. Those are the ones that have the orange flesh that tastes kind of like sweet potato. It's like having a cool, already cooked sweet potato. They're delicious. Who is this? This is a mountain apple, and we grow mountain apple, but it's always good to have more options. And this is a longan. We grow some longans too. They're not much bigger than this one. Looking forward to it. And then we have a bucket full of stuff that she gave us. This is a Molokoi sweet potato, purple kind. They have these purple stems. They grow, actually, I mean, this one is even quite green. Hers are like even more purple, and they grow everywhere. So we grow all kinds of sweet potato already, but it's always good to have more variety. And this is Ava, purple stem Ava, and or you might know of it as kava. It's a canoe plant. It's used to make a special drink. We already grow a couple of avas, but I don't know if we have any of this purple stem variety, so looking forward to it. And this is a very cool plant that I had never seen before. It's the purple Polynesian sugarcane. In Hawaiian, sugarcane is ko, and it is a canoe plant along with ava. many uses. This is so cool. This stem is, I don't know if you can see it properly, but the stem and the leaves are fully purple. These are just quite young. We just pulled them up. So looking forward to that. It's always great to have more varieties of things, even the ones that you grow. You never know what's really going to take off and want to be the one that does great. And also, the more variety you have, the more they can cross-pollinate and maybe make even more varieties. And you don't know the kind of varieties that your plants, the ones that you already grow, maybe they're sensitive to something, and you get a hot spell, they all die, but you had another variety, so maybe it'll be okay. But if you only had that one variety, then you would be out of a crop completely. So you just never know, and I think it's always good to have more varieties of things. It gives you, what's that magic word that they use? Resilience. Anyway, very much thank you to our friend who gave us these wonderful plants. I'm going to stick them in the ground and give them a lot of love and hope they do well. All right.